Today's video is actually two small projects. I have this small piece of Black Locus. Last week sometime I turned two small spice boxes. The other two were in pretty bad shape, so I had to turn two more. But anyhow, this piece of wood also has a large crack in it, so I'm going to make a small miniature vase from the top portion of this piece, and the bottom piece will be a spice box, which I'll probably be putting out sometime in the middle of the week. I hope you folks enjoy this video. At this point in the project, I'm going to be applying a thin coat of pure walnut oil. Once it dries, I will be using a fine grit polishing compound to finish the piece off. Let's see how it goes. So here I am, awkward moment. I don't know what happened, but for some reason the camera went from full screen to portrait. Had to rotate the damn video just to get the shot that I wanted, because it's the only shot that shows me turning the inside of the small vase. Bunch of bullshit, but it is what it is, and I'll just get back to it. Well, coming to the end of the video, the pure walnut oil has dried, and I am going to apply this fine grit polishing compound to finish the piece off. Here I am at the end of today's project. Small vase, 2 inches high, 3 at center, and 1.5 inches at the base. Black Locus is a really nice wood to turn. I'm really happy with the outcome. If you folks made it this far in the video, I totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.